What are you doing? We get it. You like to play peekaboo. Would you like to switch it up a little bit? Nope, I guess. Would you like to do something else? Huh? No, I guess not. Ricco, do you ever get tired of playing peekaboo? Guess not. It's your favorite thing to do. What's a doggy do? Doggy. What's a doggy? Ruff, ruff, good boy. What's a kitty cat do? What's a kitty cat do? Meow. Well, that's your way of doing it now. What about the telephone? Telephone. What about the telephone? Telephone. Hello, telephone. Hello. What about the car? Vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom. No, that's a doggy. What's a car do? No, what's a car do? Vroom, vroom. Beep, beep. You forgot? Beep, beep. What about the choo-choo train? Choo-choo. Not interested? What do you see? What do you want to go do? Huh? You're not interested? Are you done? Are you finished? Or do you want to throw in one more peekaboo? I know you want to. I know you want to. Okay, let's do one more. Ready? Want to do a peekaboo for everybody? 1, 2, 3. Right on cue. Okay, say bye, everybody. Say bye. Bye. Say bye-bye. Okay.